Why are the most cinematic and luxurious wedding shots always taken during the golden hour? Golden hour is that enchanting hour before sunset, when the sky turns gold and pink and the light becomes the softest filter created by nature itself. This is the light that turns every photo into art. Imagine standing with your partner, the wind gently touching the veil, and the sunlight painting a halo around you. These moments can't be recreated at noon or at night. This exists only in this one perfect hour. That's why we always recommend our couples to include golden hour in their wedding timeline. If you want a dedicated photo session, set aside 20 minutes for a short walk with your photographer and videographer. If you dream of saying your vows in golden hour light, schedule your ceremony closer to sunset. Imagine your guests sitting in the warm, glowing light, with every moment filled with romance and tenderness. Another reason golden hour is so special, the emotion. By the time everyone is relaxed, the evening is near, and you can simply enjoy each second together. The photos become natural and alive instead of staged. And most importantly, the shots always look expansive, timeless, and cinematic. They'll give you goosebumps even decades later. If you want your wedding to be captured in the same magical light, click the link in the description of this video for a free consultation and get your gifts: $1,000 voucher, free photo shoot, free photo book, and free drone coverage.